When building a FastAPI application, generating accurate OpenAPI specs can save hours of manual documentation work. Two AI models that promise to automate this are Google Gemini and XAI Grok. Gemini tends to produce verbose but thorough endpoint definitions, often including detailed parameter descriptions and response schemas. Grok, on the other hand, generates more concise specs that follow common API design patterns but may miss edge cases. In practical testing with a sample FastAPI project, Gemini correctly identified all route handlers and their dependencies, while Grok occasionally skipped nested models. For developers prioritizing completeness, Gemini offers better coverage. For those wanting speed and readability, Grok provides cleaner output. The key takeaway: both models can accelerate spec generation, but always review the output for accuracy, especially with complex data.